Good morning, everyone. My name is Larry Boyer. I am the instructor here at Redlands High School for Advanced Manufacturing number 1 and Advanced Manufacturing 2. Advanced Manufacturing, it's designed to prepare students for employment in the manufacturing industry. Students engage in a little bit of everything from science, technology, engineering, math, and art. This is a hands-on project-based approach for learning. Students receive introductory level in Advanced Manufacturing number 1. They learn how to use hand tools, hand tool safety, also basic engineering, mechanical engineering. They learn a little bit about, we cover basic electronics, basic electricity, metal fabrication, pneumatics. We get into a little bit in Advanced Manufacturing 2. We start to cover robotics and computer-controlled, numerically controlled manufacturing, utilizing CNC mills and routers. We have much of that equipment here in class. Right now, due to distance learning, we're focusing a lot on soft skills such as leadership skills, communication, both written and verbal communication, how to put together a project plan, how to plan to implement a project, and project management. This is the sector is manufacturing and product development for this class. The pathway is product innovation and design. It is A through G approved, and it is this program is articulated through the local community colleges. So that is it, and thank you for listening.